Uh, Yes, friends, we have discussed what do you mean by one function, onto function, bijective function. Of course, the rest of the functions also. One means different elements, distinct elements of the set A have distinct images. That is what do you mean by one function. To show it is one function mathematically, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to the set A, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. This is one method. Or distinct elements have distinct images, x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Otherwise you can use arrow diagram or a graphical approach. Okay, so generally we follow the mathematical expression. Okay, so mathematically let us solve the problems. The first one, worked example, show that the function from set of natural numbers to natural number. Here the domain is natural number, set A is natural number, set B is also a natural number. Domain and codomain both are one and the same. Given by f of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to naturals is 1 but not onto, we are supposed to prove this. Solution, given f, the function f from n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to n. This is how they have defined the function. Now let us verify one function. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to n, then f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies, see, f of x is defined as 2x, f of y means 2y, f of z means 2z, f of t means 2t. Similarly, f of x1 means 2x1, f of x2 means 2x2. 2 gets cancelled, we are left with x1 is equal to x2. That means f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. So therefore f is one function. F is one function. Let us verify onto function. What do you mean by onto? Recollect the definition. For every element of the set B, there exists at least one pre-image in set A. Every element of the set B, for all y belongs to the codomain. Codomain is n here. There exists an element x belongs to the set A. Here A is also natural number. So domain such that f of x is equal to y. So this is the mathematically how to prove onto function. For all y belongs to the set B in general, for all y belongs to the set B, there exists x belongs to set A such that f of x is equal to y. Here both A and B are natural numbers only. So f of x equals y. What is f of x? It is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to y. Solve for x. X is equal to y by 2. If I select y as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is not a natural number. So x belongs to n, but x does not belongs to n. 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural number. Therefore, f is not onto. So this is the one of the method. Let us discuss an alternate method for this problem. Okay, let us see. See, the given function f of x is equal to 2x for all the natural numbers. If I select x as 1, y equals 2 into 1, 2. X as 2, 2 into 2, 4. X as 3, y equals 2 into 3, 6, and so on. Let us prove this by arrow diagram. So clearly the set A, codomain is a set of natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on. Codomain is also set of natural number 1, 2, 3 and so on. Look at f of x is equal to 1 means 1 associated to 2, then 2 associated to 4, then 3 associated to 6, then 4 associated to 8. See, different elements of the set A have different images. Different elements of the set A have different images. Distinct elements have distinct images means clearly f is 1 function. Clearly f is 1 function. And observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 associated to 8, then 5 associated to 10 and so on. Every element of the set A have some image. Look at this, 3 doesn't have any pre-image, even 1 doesn't have any pre-image, 1, 3, 5 and so on. So many elements are left out which have no pre-image. On 2 means every element of the set B has at least one pre-image. So but 1, 3, 5 doesn't have any image. That means range of f is not codomain of f. So range not equal to codomain means it is not onto function. That means f is not onto function. Not onto function. This is another method. Let us take one more method for only for this problem. See, x is equal to 0 means y is also 0. When x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2 means y is equal to 4 we are getting, When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. When x equals 2, y equals minus 4. So I just join these points. See this, it is nothing but a straight line, y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Clearly, see, different element, x equals 1 means y is 2. X equals 2 means 4. For different x values, we get different y value. For each x values, we get different y values. Even for negative also. For x equals minus 1, y equals minus 2. When x equals minus 2, y equals minus 4. For different x values, we get different y values. That means clearly it is 1 function. 1 function. So and clearly range and codomain. Of course, so if I draw a line parallel to x-axis, it cuts the curve at only one point. It cuts the curve. Wherever you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it cuts the curve only at one point means it is 1 function clearly. Okay. So of course it is onto kuda haudu. Next, second problem, prove that f from real numbers to real number, their natural numbers to natural numbers, defined by f of x equals to x. Function is the same, but domain and codomain are changed. So real number to real number. Okay. So E is 1 and onto. Suppose if it is a natural number, it is not onto. If it is a real number, it is onto. Let us see. This is the given function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to real number. Let us verify 1 function. For all x1 comma x2, two different elements belongs to the domain, then f of x1 equals f of x2 implies f of x1 means 2x1, f of x2 means 2x2. 2 gets cancelled. F of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. F is 1 function. Let us verify onto. For all y belongs to the codomain, that is a set of real numbers. there exists an element x belongs to the domain that is real number such that f of x is equal to y. What is f of x actually? 2x. 2x is equal to y means x equals y by 2. You take any value for y, the fraction of positive, negative including 0 is a real number. So x equals y by 2 belongs to the real number. So therefore f is onto function. Please note students, for the same function, if the set is natural numbers to natural number, it is not onto. If it is real numbers to real number, it is onto. Okay, so the set matters a lot. Please take care that. So what is domain and what is codomain? That is important. The third one, worked example. Show that the function f from natural numbers to natural number given by f of 1 equals f of 2 equals 1. And f of x is equal to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1 1. Onto but not 1 1. Solution. Given f from n to n defined by f of 1 equals f of 2 equals 1 and f of x is equal to x minus 1 for x greater than 2. Let us verify 1 1. For all two elements x1 and x2 belongs to the domain that is natural number. If f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 not equal to x2. Why? Because x1 f of 1 equals f of 2. Both are equal to 1. These two are equal. F of 1 equals f of 2 equals 1. Right? But x1 is 1, x2 is 2. 1 not equal to 2, you know. So that means x1 not equal to x2. That's why f is not 1 1 function. And let us verify onto, for all y belongs to the codomain, that is a natural number, there exists an x belongs to the domain, the set of natural number, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. So f of x is given as x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to y. Shift y to the other side. X is equal to y plus 1. For every y belongs to natural number, so x is also a natural number. Therefore, f is onto function. Next, question number 4, worked example. Show that the function f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. Solution. Given f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square. Let us verify 1 1. For all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain which is a real number, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 square is equal to x2 square. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1, f of x1 means x1 square, f of x2 means x2 square. This implies x1 square minus x2 square equals 0, x plus 1, x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 equals 0. So clearly x1 plus x2 is equal to 0 means x1 not equal to x2, or else see this, f of 2, let us take x1 as 2, x2 as minus 2. F of 2 and f of minus 2 both are equal, right? So f of 2 means 2 square, f of minus 2 means minus 2 square. This is 4, this is also 4. But 2 and minus 2 are not equal. That's how f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 not equal to x2. So therefore f is not 1 1 function, not 1 1 function. Let us verify onto. For all y belongs to the codomain, a real number, then there exists x belongs to a real number which is a domain such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is nothing but x square they have given is equal to y. X equals root of y. So root y does not belongs to a real number, because for y is equal to minus 1, if I select y as minus 1, root of minus 1, root of minus 1 is imaginary, I is a complex number, does not belongs to real number. That's why f is not onto, f is not onto. The fifth question, an exercise problem. Show that the function f from r0 to r0, set of real numbers except 0, non-zero real numbers, defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x, is 1, 1 and onto, where r0 is a set of all non-zero real number, not 0, including 0 alla, excluding 0, non-zero real numbers, full stop, continuation, is the result true if the domain r0 is replaced by n and the codomain being same as r0, that means if the domain r0 is replaced by n and codomain retains as it is it 1, 1 and onto, they are asking. Let us verify. Solution. Given f from r0 to r0, set of real numbers excluding 0, non-zero real numbers, defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. Let me verify 1, 1 function. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to the set of non-zero real numbers, if x1, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, implies f of x is 1 by x, f of x1 is 1 by x1, f of x2 means 1 by x2. Cross multiply, x2 is equal to x1, nothing but x1 is equal to x2. If f of x1 equals f of x2, implies x1 is equal to x2. So that's why it is 1, 1 function. Let us verify onto. For all y belongs to the codomain r0, then there exists an x belongs to the domain r0 again, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is what? 1 by x is equal to y. You just interchange these two. X is equal to 1 by y. 1 by y belongs to r0, because you cannot take y as 0. Y does not belongs to the set r0, non-zero real numbers. 1 by 0 means not defined. So then it doesn't belongs to that. That's why we remove 0 from the set of real numbers. So clearly x equals 1 by y belongs to non-zero real numbers. Therefore f is onto. Not is replaced by n. The domain is replaced by set of natural numbers and codomain retained as it is. Then we get f from natural numbers to set of non-zero real numbers, defined by f of x equals 1 by x for all x belongs to n, for all x belongs to natural numbers here, whereas there belongs to r0. Let us verify 1, 1 in this case. See, for all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain, that is set of natural numbers, if f of x1 equals f of x2, implies f of x is 1 by x, f of x1 is 1 by x1, f of x2 1 by x2. Cross multiply, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Let me verify onto. For all y belongs to r0, that is codomain, there exists x belongs to the domain, that is set of natural numbers, such that f of x is equal to y. So f of x is 1 by x is equal to y. So this is x is equal to 1 by y. Interchange these two. Look at this. y is equal to 2, any natural number you take, y is equal to 2 means x is equal to 1 by 2. Y is codomain in a R0. So if I take 2, 1 by 2, x equals 1 by 2 is not a natural number. So that means x equals 1 by y does not belongs to n. Therefore, f is not onto function. Sixth one, an exercise question. Check injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. Injective 1 1, surjective onto. Number A, under that number A, the given function f from n to n given by f of x is equal to x square they have given. So let us verify 1 1. 1 1 is also called injective function. For all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain set of natural number, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies f of x means x square, f of y means y square, f of x1 means x1 square is equal to f of x2 means x2 square. So this implies x1 is equal to x2. Of course, x1 equals root of this means as it is a quadratic equation, it has two roots, plus or minus x2 we get actually. But minus x2 does not belongs to natural number at all. So that's why x1 is equal to x2. x1 is equal to x2. You can't take minus x2, you know. So that f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. That means injective function. Let us verify onto, that is nothing but a surjective function. For every y belongs to the set n, nothing but the domain, codomain. For every y belongs to the set n, belongs to codomain, nothing but there exists an element x belongs to the domain natural number, nothing but such that f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? X square. X square is equal to y means x is equal to root y. Suppose if I select y is equal to 2, root 2 is not a natural number. That's why x equals root y does not belongs to n. Therefore, f is onto. F is onto. B. Given f from z to z given by f of x is equal to x square. Instead of natural numbers to natural number, z to z, integer. So they just changed the code domain and codomain. So domain and codomain is very, very important. I'll tell you why. Look at this. For 1 1 function, for all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain z, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 square equals x2 square. This implies x1 equals plus or minus x2. Observe here, x1 is equal to x2. You can't take minus x2 since it is a natural number. Minus x2 is not a natural number. That's why you can't take minus here. So we can take minus x2 also. So that means x1 not equal to x2. x1 cannot be equal to minus x2, no? So f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 not equal to x2. So therefore f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. The reason f of 2 square minus f of minus 2 square. 4 equals 4. But 2 and minus 2 are not equal. That's why f is not 1 1. On to. For all y belongs to z codomain, there exists x belongs to z, that is domain, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x means x square is equal to y. X is equal to root y. Root y again does not belongs to the domain which is z. For example, if y equals minus 1, root of minus 1 means I. X equals I, complex number, but not integer. That's why f is not onto. So clearly f is not injective and not surjective. Third case, if the function f from R to R, real number to real number, instead of z to z, given by f of x is equal to x square. See the first case, natural numbers to natural number. Natural numbers to natural number means it is both 1, 1 and onto. In case of z to z means it is not 1, 1, not onto. If it is a real number, look at this. For all x1 and x2 belongs to reals, f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 square equals x2 square. This implies x1 equals plus or minus x2. I mean x1 cannot be equal to x2. For example, f of 2, 4, f of minus 2, minus 2 square is also 4. Both are equal to 4, but 2 and minus 2 are not equal. So x1 not equal to x2. In spite of f of x1 equals f of x2, x1 not equal to x2. So that means f is not injective, not injective. So next on to, clearly the range of f, y values 0, if I select x 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 the whole square, and so on. See this, 0, 1, 4, plus or minus 3 square means 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing here, right? Even fractions also. So clearly this is not a real number. So range of f is not equal to codomain. So codomain here is a range, a real number, it is not equal to the set of reals. So only 0, 1, 4, 9 perfect square number are there. So that means range of f not equal to codomain of f. Therefore f is not onto. So this is another method to show it is not onto. Range of f is not equal to codomain of f. Suppose range of f equal to codomain of f, it is onto. Okay. Check injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. Under that, D. The given function f from natural numbers to natural numbers given by f of x is equal to x cube they have defined. Let us verify one function. Okay. For all x1 and x2 belongs to the set of natural numbers domain, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies f of x means x cube, f of x1 means x1 cube is equal to f of x2 means x2 cube. Okay. This implies x1 is equal to x2. Since it is a natural number, you won't get even negative also. Clearly x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is injective. f is injective. So that means 1 function. Let us verify onto. For all y belongs to the set n, that is codomain, there exists x belongs to the set of natural numbers, which is domain, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is what? X cube. X cube is equal to y means x is equal to cube root of y. Cube root of y does not belongs to natural number. For example, y equals 6 means x is equal to cube root of 6. Cube root of 6 is not a natural number, does not belongs to n. So therefore f is not onto, not surjective. Next, number E. Given function is f from z to z, integer to integer, given by f of x is equal to x cube. So let us verify one function. For all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain, that is set of integers, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies x1 cube, x2 cube, x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. This implies x1 is equal to x2. Why? Because x1 cube minus x2 cube equals 0 is of the form a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equals 0. This means either x minus 1 equals 0 or this is equal to 0. X minus 1 equals 0 means x1 is equal to x1 minus x2 equals 0 means x1 is equal to x2. But if you solve this, complex numbers we get, imaginary roots, which does not belongs to z. That's why x1 minus x2 equals 0 means x1 is equal to x2. That's how it is a 1-1 function. Injective. On to, for all y belongs to z, which is a codomain, there exists x belongs to z, which is domain, such that f of x is equal to y, f of x is equal to y, x cube is equal to y, x is equal to cube root of y. Cube root of y does not belongs to z again, because if y equals minus 1, x is equal to cube root of minus 1 does not belongs to z. Integer, does not belongs to integer. Why? Because it is a complex number. So that means f is not surjective, to verify onto this is one of the method. An alternate method, clearly range of f, you just give the values of x, 0 plus or minus 1 the whole cube plus or minus 2 the whole cube and so on. It is nothing but 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 cube means 8 and so on. It is not a natural number. Many of the numbers were missing, So range of f is not equal to codomain of f. So onto means what? Every element of the set B have some images, right? But not every element. That means range of f is not equal to codomain of f. That's why f is not surjective. This is another method. Okay? Seventh one, an exercise problem. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x is neither 1-1 nor onto, where this denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Solution. Given f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x for all x belongs to real number. Let me verify 1-1 function. For all x1 and x2 belongs to the domain, that is real number, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies greatest integer function of x1, greatest integer function of x2. These two are equal, but x1 and x2 are not equal. Why? Because greatest integer function of 1.1 is 1. Greatest integer function of 1.9 is also 1. But 1.9 is not equal to 1.1. Or else you can take the other example, say 3.5. Greatest integer function of 3.5 is 3. Greatest integer function of 3.9 is also 3. But 3.5 is not equal to 3.9. Correct, So therefore, f is not 1-1. Let us verify onto function. Try to recollect the graph of the greatest integer function. It is a step function. Correct, So that means range of f, for every integer it breaks. So range of f is a set of integers, But here the range of f is real number, codomain, range of f not equal to codomain of f, because codomain is real number, range is a set of integers, z not equal to r. Therefore, f is not onto. Eighth one, an exercise problem again. Show that modulus function, that is a greatest integer function, is a modulus function. F from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1-1 nor onto, where mod x is plus x, if x greater than 0, that is positive, or 0. greater than 0 or equal to 0. And mod x is minus x. Mod x is minus x if x is negative, less than 0. Right? See, solution. Given f from R to R, where f of x is mod x, defined as plus x if x greater or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. Let us verify one function. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to real number, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies modulus of x1 equals modulus of x2. This implies x1 and x2 are not equal. Why? Because take modulus of minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is 4, you know. Modulus of plus 4 is also 4. But minus 4 and plus 4 are not equal. That's why x1 and x2 are not equal. Hence, f is not 1, 1. Modulus function is not 1, 1. Let me verify on to. See, for modulus function, it is a positive integer, right? So, including 0 up to plus infinity. So, range of a modulus function is r plus, including 0, excluding infinity, 0 to infinity. But codomain is a real number here. So, range of f not equal to codomain of f. Codomain of f is r, whereas range of f is only positive reals. Codomain of f is real numbers. Range of f is only positive reals. So, that means f is not onto. Hence, modulus function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Ninth one, an exercise problem. Show that the signum function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mod x divided by x. Mod x means what? When x greater than 0 plus x. X by x gets cancelled, it is 1. Mod x when x equals 0 means 0. 0 by anything is 0. When x less than 0 means mod x is minus x. Minus x divided by x means minus 1. This is how the modulus function is defined. I mean, signum function is defined. Is neither 1, 1 nor onto we need to show. Solution. So, let us verify one function. For all x1 and x2 belongs to a real number, if f of x1 equals f of x2 implies mod x1 divided by x1 equals mod x2 divided by x2. This, for example, modulus of 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Modulus of 3 is 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is 1, this is also 1, but 2 and 3 are not same. So, in spite of these two are equal, x1 and x2 are not equal. That's why f is not 1, 1. Let us verify on to. We know that range of the function is minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, range of signum function is minus 1, 0, 1. But codomain here is, codomain is a real number. So, minus 1, 0, 1 is not equal to a real number. That means range of f is not equal to codomain of f. Therefore, f is not onto. F is not onto. So, signum function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. 10th one, an exercise problem. Let a equals 1, 2, 3, b equals 4, 5, 6, 7. And the function f from f equals 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Be a function f from a to b. Show that f is 1, 1 function. It's very simple. Pictorial representation, arrow diagram, the set A and the set B. A is 1, 2, 3. B consists of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 associated to 4, 2 associated to 5, 3 associated to 6. See, different elements of the set A associated to different elements of the set B. That means different elements of the domain have different images in codomain. Clear? So f of 1 is 4, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 6. So that's why f is 1 function. But it is not onto. Why? Because 7 is left out in B. 7 has no pre-image. Onto means every element in set B have at least one pre-image in set A. So but 7 has no pre-image. That's why it is not onto. It is only 1 function. 11th one. Let f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3x. See, y is equal to 3x means it is nothing but a straight line passing through origin, you know. It is a linear function. Y is equal to mx. Y is equal to 3x. Correct? If you cut horizontally, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Clearly it is 1 function. If you cut vertically, again ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. That's why it is onto also. So clearly it is both 1 and onto. So why? Because f of x1 equals f of x2 means 3x1 is equal to 3x2. 3 gets cancelled. x1 equals x2. It is 1 function. For onto, for all y belongs to the set of real numbers, there exists x belongs to the set of real number such that f of x is equal to y. 3x is equal to y means x equals y by 3. X equals y by 3 belongs to the set of real number. That means it is onto also. It is both 1 and onto. So this is wrong. The rest of the functions are wrong. So many one anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. If it is 1, if it is not 1, it becomes many one, you know, right? Onto anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, not onto anta ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. This is wrong. Even this is wrong since it is 1. So if it is to be many one, it cannot be 1. Correct? So then f is neither 1 nor onto antare. It is both actually. So the first option is the correct answer.